Alright, Flat Mechanic here again, and I have a Jeep Cherokee that doesn't start most of the time and displays a message, no key detected, or no key fob detected. So a lot of times, let's go ahead and we're going to press the start button, and yeah, key fob not detected. Try again, key fob not detected. So what you're going to want to try and do first is take the keyless remote, hold it straight to the button here. Try starting it that way. Sometimes this may take several tries. Let's go ahead and see if I can get it all in view here while I push it. There, see, and that time it started. Now if that doesn't work, there's also something else you can try. So the receiver, the actual RF receiver for this remote control is located in the left rear quarter panel on this vehicle. So you can go back here, bring the key with you, and we're just going to place the key near the left rear corner panel, wherever, anywhere it's close. We can put it down here. Then you're going to go back up to the front of the vehicle and try and start the vehicle that way. Now if that does work, chances are this key fob has to be replaced. Now you can find these key fobs. Well, actually I'll show you. I'll show you where you can get these aftermarket key fobs. Alright, so as you can see here, we got the same exact key on Amazon for $59, which is a really good deal actually. The only issue is once you buy this key, you're going to have to take it to either call a locksmith to program it for you, bring it to the dealership to program it for you, or find somebody with the aftermarket tool that does the programming for these keys. Typically, it's going to cost you probably $250 to get this key programmed. But yeah, that's how you fix key not detected problem. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, Flat Mechanic.